Welcome back, fellow travelers. Today we're diving into the essential art of organizing your RV for full-time living. Whether you're hitting the road for a year-long adventure or embracing the nomadic lifestyle permanently, maintaining a tidy and clutter-free living space is key to maximizing your comfort and enjoyment on the road. Hi, I'm Lynn, and I've spent years exploring the world from the cozy confines of my RV. Trust me, keeping your RV organized isn't just about aesthetics, it's about creating a functional and stress-free living environment. So, let's jump right in. First things first, why is organization so crucial in an RV? Well, besides making your space visually appealing, it also enhances safety, efficiency, and overall well-being. Clutter can lead to accidents, increase stress levels, and make it difficult to find what you need when you need it. Now, let's delve into the meat of our discussion, the 18 essential ways to organize your RV for full-time living. 18 ways to organize your RV. Maximize vertical space, utilize wall-mounted shelves and hooks to free up floor space. Example, install a hanging shoe organizer on the back of the bathroom door for toiletries and cleaning supplies. Invest in multifunctional furniture, opt for pieces that offer storage solutions, like beds with built-in drawers or ottomans that double as storage bins. Example, a fold-out dining table with hidden compartments for flatware and utensils. Use drawer organizers, keep kitchen utensils, cutlery, and small items neatly arranged with drawer dividers. Example, separate your cooking tools from your eating utensils for easy access. Label everything, avoid the guesswork by labeling bins, containers, and shelves. Example, labeling bins with categories like clothing, tools, and outdoor gear. Utilize underbed storage, store bulky items like bedding, shoes, and seasonal clothing beneath your bed. Example, vacuum-sealed bags to compress clothing and maximize space. Create a command center, designate a central area for important documents, maps, and travel itineraries. Example, install a corkboard or magnetic board near the entrance for easy access. Downsize your wardrobe, embrace a minimalist approach to clothing to save space and reduce clutter. Example, limiting yourself to essentials and versatile pieces that can mix and match. Organize cables and cords, keep electronics tidy with cable organizers and Velcro ties. Example, using cable clips to secure cords along the edges of furniture and walls. Utilize overhead storage, take advantage of overhead cabinets and compartments for rarely used items. Example, storing extra bedding or seasonal decorations in overhead bins. Implement a one-in, one-out rule, maintain balance by removing an item for every new one brought in. Example, donating or selling items you no longer need to make room for new acquisitions. Create a kitchen command center, arrange cooking essentials in a designated area for easy meal prep. Example, keeping spices, oils, and cooking utensils within arm's reach of the stove. Utilize vertical space in cabinets, install risers or shelves to maximize cabinet storage. Example, stacking plates and bowls vertically to create more room for other items. Opt for collapsible items, choose collapsible kitchenware and storage bins to save space when not in use. Example, collapsible silicone colanders and mixing bowls for compact storage. Organize your electronics, keep chargers, batteries, and gadgets in one designated area. Example, using a charging station with built-in cable management to keep cords organized. Create a system for cleaning supplies, store cleaning products in a portable caddy for easy access. Example, keeping the caddy under the sink or in a designated storage compartment. Utilize wall-mounted storage, install hooks and racks for items like coats, hats, and outdoor gear. Example, hanging bike racks on the exterior of the RV to free up interior space. Maximize bathroom storage, use hanging organizers and baskets to corral toiletries and towels. Example, hanging a shower caddy on the shower door to keep essentials within reach. Regularly purge and declutter, set aside time for regular decluttering sessions to keep your space organized and clutter-free. Example, going through your belongings every few months and donating or discarding items you no longer need. And there you have it, 18 essential tips to transform your RV into an organized oasis on wheels. Remember, a clutter-free space isn't just about aesthetics, it's about enhancing your overall quality of life on the road. Before we wrap up, let's address some common questions. Q. How do I prevent items from shifting while driving? A. Invest in non-slip drawer liners and storage bins with secure lids to keep items in place. Q. What should I do with items I rarely use? A. Store them in less accessible areas, like overhead compartments or under bed storage, to free up prime real estate for everyday essentials. Q. How can I make the most of limited closet space? A. Use slimline hangers to maximize hanging space, and consider vacuum-sealed bags for seasonal clothing to minimize bulk. Well, folks, I hope you found these tips helpful in your quest for RV organization mastery. Until next time, safe travels and happy organizing.